There is a very common question asked by the human race.
Are we alone in this universe?
Moment. But I haven't positive proof that they've actually come from another planet.
What would it take to make you believe?
Let's see, what would it take? If they got me a date, if a creature from some planet got me a date with Jennifer Lawrence in a Bentley convertible and she enjoyed being with me, I would say somebody would have had to perform powers far beyond those of mortal men from another place.
Jennifer Lawrence, that's your girl?
Going with
One of them.
Jennifer Lawrence?
Why not?
There we are.
That's a solid choice. Okay with that one.
Yeah, that's cool.
Although there is not a distinct answer, there are many signs of life other than on Earth. Four of the many signs that show that we are not alone on Earth are ancient Egyptian pyramids or hieroglyphics, alien sightings by astronauts, NASA's cover-ups, and the mass of our universe. Ancient Egyptian pyramids. We are all familiar with the speculation of alien intervention with the construction and design of the ancient Egyptian pyramids. The Egyptian hieroglyphics, which are literary characters in the symbolic alphabetical form of writing. One of the most interesting discovered hieroglyphics that has links with extraterrestrials is the 2,000 to 3,000 year old Abites helicopter, which was found in a support beam of an ancient temple built by Seti I and his son Ramses II in Abites, Egypt. The first things you spot when you look at it are the helicopter, the boat or yacht, the spaceship, and what people say is a futuristic ship. What do you think of these hieroglyphics? Is it proof aliens came down during ancient Egyptian times, or just a coincidence? Alien sightings by astronauts. Now we should all figure that if anyone has the chance of seeing aliens, it would be astronauts. Although this could be true, astronauts are not permitted to tell what they have seen in space to the public, but that rule has not stopped all astronauts. In 1965, two astronauts, James McDivitt and Ed White, spent 4 days in outer space aboard the Gemini 4 mission. Both astronauts reported an object that could not be identified. All of NASA's radar reported that there should not be an object anywhere near them at that time. Rumor has it that McDivitt also took a video, but NASA would not release it to the public. Also, on July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the moon. They made reports that aliens have a base on the moon and that they were told to leave and never return. Armstrong relayed a message to NASA's mission control that two large mysterious objects have been watching them since they landed. The message was censored and never heard by the public. NASA's cover-ups. Due to the public acknowledging that NASA is concealing information about the universe, many people are led to believe that NASA is aware of alien life. Dr. Edgar Mitchell, a NASA astronaut who was a part of the Apollo 14 space mission in 1971 and spent 32 hours on the moon, states that he was aware of several UFO visits during his career, all of which had been covered up. He states that the aliens' technology is far more advanced than ours, and if they were hostile, our world would be taken over by now. In the past, NASA has been known to cut off video feed from many satellites in space when they start to pick up motion. They say that they are experiencing technical difficulties, but many people find that hard to believe when they have the best technology in the world. Maybe they actually are experiencing technical difficulties, or maybe they know something and want to hide it from us.
Alright, Miss Polk, what's your take on aliens? Do you believe in them?
I think there's another beings out there. So I guess yes.
Interesting. So, if we came in contact with aliens, do you think it'd be a good thing, bad thing, a little bit of both?
It'd probably be bad. Well, let's put it this way: we as humans, we don't respond well to change, something different. We don't know how to handle difference. So, probably not.
Not believing in the last 3 stories and signs of alien life I've told you is common, but this final sign is the most significant. The mass of the observable universe. Our Earth and our entire solar system is literally less than a speck of dust when you compare it to the entire universe. To understand why there must be life on many planets, you first have to realize how big the universe actually is. Think of it like this. The Sun, a medium-sized star, is one of over 1 billion stars in a single galaxy. The observable universe contains about 5 trillion galaxies. In our single galaxy, we have already found life on Earth and on Mars. Imagine how many planets we have not yet explored that contain life.